35 minutes left. God is trying to reach you and you always skip this. Don't hurt God to skip. Something unexpected is going to happen suddenly. Open it quickly. My beloved child, you did not find this message by accident. There is a reason your eyes stop here at the exact moment, while everything else in your life kept moving. You have skipped messages like this before, thinking they were just words, but this time feel different, doesn't it? Stay till the end because something huge is waiting for you and you can already feel it deep inside your heart. Listen closely because this is not time to standing still. There are moments when life whispers, and there are moments when it tries harder to be heard. This is one of those rare moments. Don't skip, because what you are about to understand is something that only a few people notice in time. You are being guided right now, even if you don't fully realize it yet. Right now, something is shifting around you in ways you cannot see. Small signs, silent changes, and unseen movements are aligning for you. You may have felt a strange energy today, like something is about to happen but you cannot explain it. That feeling is not random, it is the beginning of something unexpected. And you were meant to hear this before it unfolds. There is something you have been ignoring, even though it has been gently calling you again and again. It's not loud, it doesn't force you, but it waits patiently for you to notice. Today, that quiet call has become stronger. Don't skip, because this is the moment where everything starts to make sense. You are closer than you think to understand what has been hidden from you. Pay attention to the patterns around your life, the delay, the sudden thoughts, the unexpected pause you have experienced recently are not random. They are part of a bigger alignment that is slowly revealing itself. Stay till the end because something huge is waiting for you and it is connected to something you have been asking for, even silently. Right now, there is a shift happening that is preparing you for a sudden change. It may not look big on the outside yet, but inside, everything is being rearranged in your favor. You are being positioned exactly where you need to be. What is coming next will surprise you, not because it is impossible, but because it will arrive when you least expect it. Type Amen if you believe in Jesus Christ.